To insert a YouTube video into PowerPoint is super simple. You can see here I've got a new PowerPoint, and all I'm going to do is select on the Insert tab in the top left-hand corner, scroll all the way to the right where it says Video, drop this down. Then you have three options here, picking a video from this device, stock videos in PowerPoint, or online videos. We're going to select on online videos. This dialog box is going to open up and it's going to tell you these are the supported videos that you can use: YouTube, SlideShare, and Vimeo. I'm just going to jump over to YouTube and I'm going to copy the URL of the video that I would like to insert. Head over back to PowerPoint, paste it in, and then give it a few seconds to load. That's the right video. In the bottom right-hand corner, I can select on the Insert button. This will take a couple seconds to insert into your PowerPoint. And then what I'd recommend is putting it into the top left-hand corner and making it the entire size of that page, so it plays in full size when you play it. And it is that easy to insert a YouTube video into PowerPoint.